We'll jump into our last try it. Explain how to decide which is the better value here. You can get 4 greeting cards for $10, or you can get 6 greeting cards for $14. Sorry, my picture's in the way there. But you can get 6 greeting cards for $14 was the other piece of information. So we want to find out, like, what are you paying for one card is one way to do it. So I'm going to put my money over the amount of cards I have. So in the first one, it's $10 over 4 cards. And if I go ahead and find the unit rate, what I'm finding is what I pay for one card. So what did I do to 4 to turn it into 1? We divided by 4. So we're going to have to take 10 and divide it by 4. So 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. How do I know that? 10 divided by 4, do my long division. How many times does 4 go into 1? 0. How many times does 4 go into 10? 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So I'll minus that. I'll put 2. I'll bring a decimal, and I'll bring a 0 down. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So 4 times 5 is exactly 20. And when I minus that, I get 0, right? So that tells me 2.5. In this case, it's money. So it's $2.50. So this deal, $2.50 for every greeting card for a card, right? What about this deal over here? So we've got to do money over cards. So we're going to do $14 over 6 cards. We're going to turn 6 into 1. In order to do that, I had to divide by 6. So we're going to do 14 divided by 6 to get our mystery number here. I'm going to do my long division again. We've got 14 divided by 6. So we'll have 14 in the divisor. Sorry, that was an ugly 14, but that is 14. And I'll have 6 on the outside. So 6 goes into 1 0 times, but 6 goes into 14 2 times. So 6 times 2 is 12. And so I'll bring down a 2. I'll put a decimal in, and I'll bring down a 0. 6 goes into 20 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. And I'll get 20 minus 18 is 2. And I have to bring down a 0 again. So in this case, I'm going to keep getting 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Hopefully you see that. So how do I do this with money? Well, it would be $2.33. Some people might round that to $2.34 because when you're talking about money, even though we wouldn't really round this 3 up to a 4 because the next number is a 3, money is almost always rounded up. So either of these answers would do. But from there, we already know that the price over here is $2 and let's say 33 cents. Now, which one's greater, $2.33 or $2.50? This is more money per card, but that's not what we really want, right? We want to know which one is a better deal. So to pay less money for the cards is a better deal. So this option over here, 6 greeting cards for $14, is the better deal. It's the way that we can save a little bit of money on every greeting card that we buy.